Oh, 4 cheese pasta. Quattro Formaggi, where every cheese narrates a tale, and together, they're nothing short of legendary. Meet our 4 musketeers of taste, united to create a dish that's like your beloved mac and cheese, but on a gourmet voyage to Italy. So, let's tune into the sage words of our cherished Italian Grandma Lulu as she unveils the magic behind a quintessential 4 cheese pasta.
Questa salsina con I formaggi.
Alright, let's not get lost in translation just yet. Allow me to interpret the melody of Italian flavors for you. Pick your pasta protagonist, in our tale it's the robust rigatoni, and start boiling it. As the pasta cooks, we make the cheese sauce, and then mix them together in a hot and tasty abbraccio. Presenting our 4 musketeers, gorgonzola, taleggio, gruyere, and pecorino. Not a fan of one, or any? Stick around, we got a cheese board of alternatives for you. But as a rule of thumb, don't select a stringy cheese, like a mozzarella for example, not for this recipe. Butter, flour, and milk. Ring any bells? That's right, we're on the cusp of creating a bechamel. Or to be precise, a variation of it called Mornay. Simple yet transformative. Why this choice? because it's creamier. It's better. Firstly, we summon butter and flour to the stage, crafting a roux, a white roux to be precise. With a grand apparizione of milk, what we unveil is a bechamel without nutmeg. Mornay sauce is merely bechamel with a cheesy heart, traditionally gruyere. So, envision our 4-cheese sauce as a Mornay with a quartet of cheesy virtuosos. Introducing our first soloist, gorgonzola. The pioneer of this saucy expedition, it's the base note. Seeking alternatives, Roquefort is a noble choice. Next up, taleggio, the sweet serenata in our sauce journey. Alternatives, brie, camembert, or if you dare, époisse, Napoleon's favorite. Transitioning from creamy to soft, we'll welcome gruyere. With a less imposing but essential flavor, gruyere bridges the base and the top notes, paving the way for the vibrant and pungent pecorino, our 4th one. Add a dash of salt or a splash of milk if needed. As for the sauce thickness, we aim for a runny demeanor. It'll thicken up as it meets with the pasta. And here comes our rigatoni. And for whatever reason you don't want to use rigatoni, use your favorite short pasta. Or gnocchi. Now prepare to hold your horses while the pasta completes the last minute of cooking together with the sauce. Pronta! Let's plate and eat it immediately. And remember that this sauce will continue to thicken on the plate, so let's eat it without hesitation. We like hearty portions here at Piatto, and hope you do too. And don't forget to shower Grandma Lulu with thumbs up, hit subscribe on Piatto, and share your 4-cheese odyssey in the comments below. Arrivederci.